Hey guys, so how do you sell on TikTok Shop Philippines? So it's really important to follow me step by step because there's a lot of things to discuss here, but not just that. It'll help you in the long run. So let's just go ahead and open our account here. I want to be teaching you a couple of setting up techniques just to make sure your account is well provisioned as well. So just go down. This is the you need to like take familiarity of this entire thing here, how it looks like, so you won't be lost here. There's a lot of options actually. We're in the home page right now. There's options here like shipping and got promotions. Have a lot of things to discuss. Apps and services. And let's just go ahead and go to my account, and this is your profile right here. Just make sure that all of these are well provisioned. That's why I'm taking a stroll here a little bit, and make sure that you're going to have, this is not going to work if you don't have your store connected here. I mean, if you don't have a TikTok account that is connected here. So let's just go through this provisional process to make sure, because a lot of people have, unfortunately, have this glitches they say, but it's just not the proper setup. That's the reason why. And let's go to shipping. So show you guys here in the Philippines we have 3 carriers. We have the GNT Express, the GNT Express, the Ninja Van, and the Flash Express. So both 3 of them actually are very good in this country. So we just find whatever works for you in this regard. It's going to be taxes basis off of this, but those are going to be lower taxes depending on the quality, the quantity of your products that you want them to parcel. So going home here, this is your shop inside right here. So let's just go ahead, and it's very quick. By the way, this is the shop inside over here. It's very important. Revenue. Let's go ahead and start with the products here. The managed products. Yeah, and you can see that there's already an order here that I did for a sample. So it'll look basically like this. That's it. Your products and whatever it is you're trying to sell, just go ahead and click add new product. You're going to be filling up a bunch of informations here. Just wait for it to load a little bit. Here we go. Now fill up the basic information like product name. What were you naming this account? This product. We have sample product for video. That's it. And by the way, it requires like more than 25 characters here, so watch out for that. Go ahead and fill this up. Yeah, I'm not really live selling here. I'm not really doing a selling process. I'm just going to ask you guys to bear with me on this one, because I'm just using a dummy account here. And here we go. For purposes, of course, for informational purposes. So what's the category of your product? Like, is it food and beverages? Is it sports? Whatever it is it fashion? So you could click it here and find out all of those informations here. Just trying to find it. Like here, home supplies. We have bathroom, and here we go. The list goes on and on here to really fits the description of your product that you're trying to sell. Okay, so just make sure to read all these pop-ups, guys, just so you got well informed on the process. The brand, what type of brand it is. Is it branded? What brand it is? So there's a lot of major companies out there that owns a brand. Is it one of them? Where's this manufactured? So it's a bunch of brands here. Do you want to affiliate? Again, this will not be approved if you don't choose the exact brand, because the regulators of TikTok will just identify your product as a brandless item, which you need brand. Okay, just put sample brand, and here we go. The product live reusable, and we have the installment here. Just basically just all the info of your product here. Again, I know this takes long, but it's a hefty process to do so, and just pay attention to the details that I'm doing right now. It'll catch up. Quantity, you got the quantity per pack, the handle, the material, what's it made of. Okay, it's very important. It's made of wood. It's made of what? And that's just it. You're going to need to be uploading a photo here. Let's just scroll up a little bit. Here we go. You're going to need to be uploading a photo here. Click the empty box here. Press locate file. And that will give you the photo right there. Upload the image, and here we go. This is just a sample image, a free image that I got online, and here we go. The description of this product that you're selling. So this product is top-notch quality, tested over several countries, and good review. So now the price, we're basing off of Philippine pesos here, and kilograms. Let's just speed things up a little bit here. Dimensions, you just write it all out so they could put it all on record to be identified. So here's the taxes, the shipping fees, about 109 pesos and 9 cents. And you could choose whether you want cash on delivery or not. So you submit a review, it'll be in stock and be reviewed for a couple of hours, maybe even a day. My friend tried it in once, and it took him a day to like be permitted to upload his products here. And that's just it. That's why you need to pay attention to all the details that your product, it has to fit the description of the product that they'll be receiving. So just make sure. We have issues out of that. Now let's talk about affiliation, which means if you want to work with people that have the same niche as you, and basically like business partners. This is on the e-commerce community, and just click a profile there. I'll blur it all out for information. You could contact them in Viber, Facebook, like this profile right here, if you want to be in partner with this profile. So you can message them directly as well. There's the message box here, and this is basically a business proposal made easy. Okay, so that's just what it is. You're going to chat here and propose your business. So that's it. That's how you sell and affiliate. So I hope you guys find this video educational. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a nice day.